Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're installing the AZDOME M17 Dashcam in a Honda Accord instead of my Honda Civic, since we already do have a Dashcam in my car. This Dashcam has 1080p video quality, which is pretty good, especially since it only costs around $70 on Amazon. So here's what comes in the Dashcam box. Of course, we do have the camera on the top. We have the mount, some power cables, and a 32GB micro SD card, which is included. Most dash cams don't come with a micro SD card, so I think it's pretty cool how they provided one in this kit. Kit also includes some wipes to use on the windshield before installation, as well as a couple static stickers to help mount the camera if you just don't want the adhesive on your glass. We also have the owner's manual, which shows us how to install the Dashcam. So we're gonna follow that and I'll show you how it looks. So here's the camera with its wide angle lens. And the mount already has the 3M double-sided tape already applied, so it's very easy to just mount it on your windshield. After mounting it, all you need to do is tuck under the power cable in your liner, and after that, you'll have a working dash cam. Here's some driving clips of the AZDOME M17. And then here's also some nighttime footage, which is also pretty good quality, especially since it's a pretty inexpensive dash cam. Anyway, that's it for the install and review video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you did, and subscribe if you're new here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.